Okay, so today we're going to be looking at exterior angles, and particularly the sum of exterior angles of a polygon. So before we begin, I kind of wanted to explain what an exterior angle is by looking at an example. So here I'll have a triangle with angles of 60 degrees, 50 degrees, and 70 degrees, as shown here. So we have a triangle with 50 degrees, 60 degrees, and 70 degrees. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend out the sides of the triangle going in a particular direction. Now, I'll show you here. So I'll take this side and I'll extend it out. I'll go to the next side and then extend it out, and then the next side and then extend it out. Now, I could have gone the other direction if I wanted to, in which case this would extend it out the other way. But notice that each side is only extended one direction. And so in this case, it's going clockwise around. You can go counterclockwise if you want. Doesn't matter. But these are exterior angles that we form. So exterior angles are formed by extending the sides of your polygon. And you see here that we get a straight angle then, or a linear pair, or that these two are supplementary, or in other words, these add up to be 180 degrees. So the interior angle and its exterior angle that's created right next to it will add up to be 180 degrees. They will be supplementary. They will be a linear pair. They will be a straight angle. So all of those words mean the same thing. So I know the measurement of that angle then, because this has to add up to 180 degrees because it's a straight angle. Well, 50 plus what gives you 180 degrees? Well, that's right. This would have to be 130 degrees. Excellent. All right, what about here though? When I extend this angle out, or extend this side out, I get 70 plus what gives me 180? In this case, I get 110. Okay, when I go here and I have 60 degrees, 60 degrees plus what gives me 180? And so I get 120. Well, let's see what happens when I take these three exterior angles and I add them up. So I get 130 plus 110 plus 120. And what I end up getting is 360 degrees. Well, 360 degrees, I've seen that before. You have too, right? Where have I seen 360 degrees before? Oh, that's right. When we talked about the complete rotation around, when we're looking at angles. So if you take one complete rotation, you get 360 degrees. 360 degrees are also in a circle, which we'll look at in the future. But in this regard, we got 360. Well, is it really a complete rotation around? Well, let's kind of see. So if I were to extend this out, that's how I get my exterior angle, right? So I'm going to extend out my side. And if I rotate that to get to the other side, I extend it out, and I rotate that to get to the other side, and I extend it out, and I rotate that to get to the other side. Oh, I'm back exactly where I started. So that is a complete rotation around. So that's 360 degrees. Well, that makes sense then, that when I add these angles up, I get 360 degrees. Now, something else to note here is that the exterior angles, the number of exterior angles is equal to the number of interior angles. And that is also equal to the number of sides. So for our polygons, we have this to be true. The number of exterior angles, the number of interior angles is equal to the number of sides. So like for instance, it's a triangle. So it's a three-sided polygon. It has three sides, it has three interior angles, and three exterior angles. So we know that automatically just from the fact that this polygon is a triangle. So if you want to know how many exterior angles you would have, it would be based off of the polygon you have. Okay, so when we extended all our sides, we were able to find the measure of the exterior angles, and when we took the sum of them, we got 360 degrees. So that was for a triangle. Let's take a look at a quadrilateral, shall we? So I'm going to draw a quadrilateral. Okay, and let's see. We'll make this guy here 150. We'll make that 120. And let's see. We will make this 50 and 40. Okay. All right. So I'm going to extend out each side. So I'm going to extend this side out here. this one here, that one there, and then this one here. Okay? So this is 120 degrees. So its exterior angle here would be 180 plus what gives you 120? That's right. This would be 60 degrees. Okay? From this exterior angle, we have 40, or for the interior angle, we have 40. And we extend this out to get the exterior angle. So what plus 40 will give you 180? That's right, 140 degrees. Excellent. All right, the next one we extended out. We had 150 degrees inside. So 150 plus what gives you 180? So we get 30. And then over here we have 50 degrees as the interior angle. So the exterior angle, 50 plus what gives you 180? We get 130. Well, let's see what happens when we add up all the sides of all the exterior angles. So we get 60 plus 140, that's 200, plus 30, plus 130, and it all equals together 360 degrees. Wow. Huh, we got the same thing as we did last time. Well, see if that makes sense. So if we extend out our side and we rotate, and we extend our side and we rotate, and we extend out our side and we rotate, we extend our side, we rotate. Oh, we're back exactly where we started again. So once again, what we see is that we make a complete rotation around and we get 360 degrees. So this is how we find our exterior angles. We extend out a side of the polygon, and then we can find it because the interior angle plus the exterior angle should equal 180 degrees. And then we can go all the way around this in a clockwise manner or counterclockwise, doesn't matter which direction you go. But what we've seen so far is for a triangle, this added up to be at 360 degrees. For a quadrilateral with 4 sides, it equaled 360 degrees as well. Well, let's take a look at what happens when we go to, say, a pentagon or a 5-sided polygon.